In this video, we will study about biomolecules. All living organisms require various compounds to survive or live their life. We call these compounds as biomolecules. All these biomolecules are organic in nature. That means they contain carbon. Biomolecules are classified into four groups: carbohydrate, protein, lipid, and nucleic acid. Each of these classes have different structure and functions. Are basically carbs that are used for energy and structural support. Breaking down of carbohydrate will give us energy. Carbohydrates are generally made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in a ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 1, and these have their general formula CH2O bracket N. On the basis of hydrolysis, it can be monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide, and polysaccharide. Monosaccharides are the simple sugars, and these are further divided into two depending on the functional group present in them. Like if CHO or aldehyde group is present, then it is called aldose, and if a keto group is present, then it is called ketose. Another type of monosaccharide include the number of carbon atoms. If the number of carbon atom is 3, then it is called triose. Then if it is 4, then it is called tetrose, and if it is 5, then it is called pentose. Example of monosaccharides are glucose or fructose. Disaccharides are the carbohydrates that on hydrolysis give us two monosaccharide units. Example, sucrose. Sucrose on hydrolysis give us glucose and fructose. It will give us two monosaccharide unit, glucose and fructose on hydrolysis. Oligosaccharides are the carbohydrates that can be hydrolyzed into few monosaccharide units that are normally 2 to 10 monosaccharides unit. Polysaccharides, these are the carbohydrates that are polymeric sugars. Example, starch or cellulose, starch or cellulose, that on hydrolysis give us many monosaccharide units. To understand the structure of monosaccharide, first we will have to understand chiral carbon. A chiral carbon is the carbon that is attached to four different groups. For example, in this structure of glyceraldehyde, this carbon is attached to four different groups, then this carbon is called chiral carbon. And the chiral carbon present here, if the OH group that is attached with this chiral carbon is present on the right side, then this form is called D, or indicated by plus, D-glyceraldehyde. And when this chiral carbon is attached to the OH group that is present on the left side, then it is called L minus glyceraldehyde. structure of maltose. Disaccharides that on hydrolysis give two monosaccharide units. Disaccharide is made up of two glucose monosaccharide unit. This is glucose, alpha D glucose. This position is 1. This is 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon compound. And similarly here also this is fourth position OH group, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when these alpha D glucose, two molecules of these glucose will combine at first and fourth position, a bond that is called alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond will form. Here one water molecule will be removed and it will form alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond. This water molecule is removed and this structure is of maltose. That maltose is made up of two glucose units.